Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Zakia Ainun and today I would like to share my storytelling about Bujang Beji for my segment. Once upon a time, there were two viziers named Bujang Beji and Temanggung Marubai. These two men had very different characters. Temanggung Marubai was a kind and humble person, while Bujang Beji was powerful but greedy and arrogant. When fishing, people had their own territories. Temanggung Marubai fished in the Simpang Melawi River, while Bujang Beji fished in the Simpang Kapuas River. The Simpang Melawi River area had many kinds of fish, much more than the Simpang Kapuas River. Therefore, Temanggung Marubai fishing area was always more productive than Bujang Beji. Seeing Temanggung Marubai's success, Bujang Beji became jealous. Then he poisoned the fish in the river Using Tuba, which is a type of plant root used as poison. At first, he caught more fish than Temanggung Marubai. However, because his method killed all the fish, the number of fish in his area eventually decreased. Meanwhile, Temanggung Marubai continued to get plenty of fish because he only took the big ones, while the small fish were released back into the river so they could grow bigger. This made Bujang Beji jealous, grow even stronger, and caused him to lose his wisdom. Bujang Beji planned to use the top of Bukit Batu in Nangasilat to block the Melawi River so that all the fish would stay there. With his supernatural power, he cut the top of the rock and lifted it using 7 stone leaves. While crying the rock, he suddenly heard the voice of women who loved him. They were gods from heaven. When he reached the border between Kapuas and Melawi, Bujang Beji looked for who was calling him. Suddenly, he stepped on a poisonous stone, causing him to scream in pain. As a result, the 7 stone leaves he used were cut off, and the top of the rock fell into the river. Bujang Beji failed to block the Melawi River and became very angry with the gods in heaven. He then tried to attack heaven by climbing a giant tree. Before doing so, he performed a ritual by offering the tree to the god and all animals so they would not disturb his journey to heaven. However, there were two animals who were forgotten in the offering, termites and bears. Both animals became angry and worked together to stop Bujang Beji plan. When Bujang Beji began climbing the Kupang Mambu tree, a group of termites and bears attacked the tree and destroyed it. Bujang Beji fell down and died instantly. Therefore, Bujang Beji attempted to harm the god files, and Temanggung Marubai was saved from his evil intents. The moral of this story is, do not be jealous because it will eventually hurt yourself. I think that is all the story of Bujang Beji that I want to share with you. I hope enjoy this story. This story comes from West Borneo, Sintang. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.